Students, see this problem. Integral e power x into 1 plus x by cos square x into e power x dx. Now take this x e power x equal to t. Now differentiate on both the sides. In left hand side, apply the UV method. So x into differentiation of e power x is e power x into differentiation of x is dx, plus keep the e power x as it is and differentiate x. So you will get dx, which is equal differentiation of t, that is dt. So in left hand side, there is dx as a common term. We can take it outside. So x e power x plus e power x into dx, which is equal dt. Again, take the e power x outside. So e power x into 1 plus x into dx, which is equal dt. Now the given integral e power x into 1 plus x into dx, that is called dt, divided by cos square x e power x, already we have taken as t, so this is t. 1 by cos square t, what is that? Integral secant square t dt. Differentiation of tan t is secant square t, so integral secant square t is tan t. Now, what is the value of t? The value of t is x e power x. So replace here x e power x plus c. So tan of x e power x plus c is the integration for this problem. Look at this problem. We are going to integrate by using the substitution method. Now let us adjust this problem. Integral sin power 6x by cos power 8x into dx. We can write this one as integral sin power 6x divided by cos power 6x into cos square x into dx. Now, sin power 6x by cos power 6x is tan power 6x. Because sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, sin power 6x by cos power 6x is tan power 6x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x into dx. Now take the substitution, tan x equal to t. Now differentiate on both the sides. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x into differentiation of x dx, which is equal differentiation of t dt. Now integral tan t equal to t, tan power 6x, which is equal to t power 6. So this is t power 6. Secant square x dx is called dt. So integral t power 6. What is the formula for integral t power 6? T power 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. This is called t power 7 divided by 7 plus c. What is the value of tan? What is the value of t here? The value of t is tan x. So it will become tan power 7x divided by, see this problem, integral x square e power x cube into dx. This problem can be easily solved by substitution method. So what is the substitution here? Take x power 3 equal to t. Now differentiate on both the sides. Differentiation of x power 3 is 3x square into dx, which is equal differentiation of t, that is dt. Now integral x square dx, that is dt by 3. So this is called dt by 3. So what is x square dx from this statement? X square dx, which is equal, take this 3 to the right hand side, it is dt by 3. So here x square into dx is dt by 3. Next e power x power 3. What is the value of x power 3? That is t. Now take this 1 by 3 outside, 1 by 3 into integral e power t dt. So integral e power t dt is e power t plus c, constant of integration. So 1 by 3 into e power, what is the value of t here? X power 3. So this is x power 3 plus c. So integral x square e power x power 3 dx is 1 by 3 e power x cube plus c. Students, look at this problem. Integral sine square x minus cos square x by sine square x cos square x into dx. Now split this fraction into two simple fractions. Integral sine square x by sine square x. So sine square x by sine square x cos square x into dx minus integral cos square x by sine square x cos square x into dx. Now cancel this sine square and the sine square, you will get integral 1 by cos square. So 1 by cos square is secant square x dx minus integral. Cancel this cos square x. So cos square and cos square, it will get cancelled. So 1 by sine square. What is the value of 1 by sine square? That is cosecant square x into dx. Integral secant square x. What is the formula for integral secant square x dx? Tan x minus, what is the formula for integral cosecant square x dx? Minus cot x. Already one minus is there. So minus into minus is plus cot x plus c.